Today on Toledo Cars, we wash the Fiesta and review products from Alchemist Garage. Hey guys, Kyle with Toledo Cars. Today the Fiesta is super dirty, so we're going to give that a bath. We're going to get that all cleaned up. We're going to review some products from Alchemist Garage. It's a local company run by Ryan Michaels. We bought some of their wheel cleaner and their ceramic coating, just like any other customer, and we're going to give it a nice unbiased review. With starting a YouTube channel, this Fiesta hasn't been washed in about a month. It's super dirty, covered in dust. The wheels are caked with dirt from driving it on dirt roads, and it just really needs a bath. So we drove over to our local car wash. The instructions on the wheel cleaner say to get the wheels wet first before spraying them, so I'm hosing them down before applying the wheel cleaner. I sprayed each wheel with enough cleaner to cover the entire wheel and coat it well. The wheel cleaner is supposed to set in for 1 to 2 minutes, so while it was setting in, I grabbed the sprayer and sprayed down the rest of the car. This isn't a full detail, it's just a simple wash. As my last step of the wash, I sprayed down each wheel individually, removing the wheel cleaner and a lot of brake dust, dirt, and grime. I was impressed, it really did a great job. It didn't get everything because I was just spraying it down. I wiped one with a towel and that did remove all of the brake dust, and it was a very satisfactory moment. After a short drive to dry everything off, it was time to use the ceramic sealant. I was excited about this step, having never used a ceramic sealant before. The process is pretty simple. Basically, you spray down each panel and then wipe it in a linear motion. You don't use circles like a wax. Instead, you use straight lines and try to evenly apply it to each part of the panel. After applying the ceramic coating to the panel, you then take a separate, clean cloth and buff the ceramic coating until the paint is smooth and shiny. I initially thought that I could get away with using the backside of this microfiber cloth. However, it was already saturated with the ceramic coating, so I had to go get a different microfiber towel. Once I did things the right way, I was very pleased with the result. Here's the end product of my finally clean car. The ceramic coating is so good that a fine layer of dust will build up on the car overnight, but it all just wipes right off. The paint now shines brilliantly, and I'm very happy. This particular Fiesta is black with a gold metal flake. It looks amazing when combined with the ceramic coating. The wheel cleaner retails for $12 and the ceramic coating for $25. I feel like this is a good value with competitive options priced even higher. I'm happy to have used this on my own car and would happily recommend these products to anybody else. So give Alchemist Garage a look and check out their website at alchemistgarage.com.